Wow, that is a big feather, isn't it? That feather is so different than those two. I'm not sure if that's going to be okay. Should I erase it, or should I put this paper away and start again? What should I do?
It might feel different, but that's where the fun begins. Big ideas need big effort. Don't quit on me now.
Welcome to Art Lessons with the Dream Keepers.
Hey team, what's the mood today?
Chill vibes and big dreams. Laser focus and no shortcuts.
Maybe a little of both. Let's go.
Today we're going to draw a turkey. When we need some help, we'll peek inside the Dream Keepers book. There's always a little magic waiting in there. We'll also practice reading and writing the word turkey. To follow along, you could start with a blank sheet of paper, or you can get the activity page from ahcreations.com. Are you ready?
Woohoo! Here we go. Yeah. Let's do this. Oh boy!
Let's go.
Hello friends, today we're going to draw a turkey. Let's spell the word first. Are you ready? T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. I'm imagining a big, colorful turkey right here. Can you see it? I want the body to be over here so that there's lots of room for big, colorful feathers. I'm going to start with drawing two circles. The first circle is over here, under these letters. There's some space underneath to draw the legs, and there's some space up here for the head. It's going to be on this side of the circle. And it's going to start in here, inside of the big circle. Here we go.
It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.
Next, erase the line that's inside of the little circle. Let's draw the turkey's eye. It's going to be big, and it's going to be right in the middle of this little circle here. Inside of that circle, over here on this side of it, make another little circle. And the turkey is looking up at the word. Let's say that again. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. This part is different. These two letters together make the E sound. We'll keep practicing so you'll remember that by the time we're done with our drawing. Next, let's draw the turkey's beak. On this side, right next to the eye, draw two dots. And then come out here, right across from the eye, and make another dot. And connect with some lines like this. From the bottom line, come inside the circle and make a big smile.
Creativity means making it your way. It's okay to be different here.
And then on this part of the beak, come down and then curve back up under his chin. That's called a waddle. Let's draw the turkey's feet. Make one line stick out straight down that way for that leg, and then a foot going across. And then over here, make another leg sticking out this way, and a foot going across like that. On top of this line, make a bump that comes back to the leg. And then the same thing here. Do that again on this one. And then make another long toe that sticks out down here and curves back. And the same thing here. Long curve line that comes back to the foot.
You're making something only you can create. How awesome is that?
Use your eraser and erase the lines on the inside of those shapes. Inside of the big circle down here, let's draw a wing. 3 bumps, just like that. Okay, now we need to draw the turkey's tail feathers. I'm imagining some big, colorful feathers on this turkey. Can you see them? Make sure I have enough room for all of the feathers. I'm going to draw some dots along his back right here on this line. One, and come in a little bit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how they're all about the same distance apart. The space in between is almost the same. Let's count again. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Think, plan, and give it your all.
It's time to draw the feathers. This one, we're going to go straight up towards our word and then curve down back to that dot. And the next feather, we're going to start on this dot and come back to this one. Here we go. Way out here and back. Let's keep going. Here's another one. Curve it way out here and then come back. Wow, that is a big feather, isn't it? That feather is so different than those two. I'm not sure if that's going to be okay. Should I erase it or should I put this paper away and start again? What should I do?
It might feel different, but that's where the fun begins. Big ideas need big effort. Don't quit on me now.
Tell you what, let's take a quick look at the Dreamkeeper's book. Let's turn to the page where the Dreamkeepers are in a sailboat up in the clouds. Oh, right here. They're on this amazing journey with the little star. It could be smooth sailing for a while, but often a time comes when the path ahead will look impossible.
Give up.
When stars give up on reaching for the sky, they become lost dreams. This is where many dreams end. Oh, look at the lost dreams over here. They look so sad because they gave up on reaching for the sky. What can we learn from this? Well, every big accomplishment starts at the bottom. All you have is your imagination wondering if it's possible. So make it a really big dream. Then take one step at a time. Start with your imagination and please don't give up.
If you can dream it, you can draw it. Okay, dreaming is done. Now let's make it happen.
I will make this happen. Let's make all of these feathers different and colorful. This next feather is going to come way out here like this. Follow along this line, stick way out and come back to that dot. And the next feather starts at this dot, comes way out here, and comes back to that last dot. And there's our turkey. Let's spell it again. T-U-R-K-E-Y. What's the different part? The E-Y. They work together to make the E sound. Just like happy thoughts and hard work. They're working together to help us with our turkey drawing.
Let's keep dreaming big. What's next?
I have a little bit of room on top of the turkey's head. I'm going to draw a hat. I'll make a straight line across and then a little box on top. And to make it a pilgrim hat, draw a line at the bottom and then 2 little lines inside right there. Time to trace over the pencil with some marker.
Follow your plan here.
After the marker is nice and dry, erase any of those extra pencil lines. Here are some extra lines from when we traced over the feathers. We didn't exactly follow that line, but that's okay. We did our very best. There we go. That turkey has big feathers, just like I imagined it. But they're not very colorful yet. I'm going to start with decorating my feathers. Some different shapes and patterns. Won't that be fun? How about some polka dots inside of this really big feather over here?
Great things start with great dreams. So dream even bigger.
This is already looking really colorful. Let's color in the rest. I really like how the turkey is looking up at the word. Oh, let's spell the word again one more time. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Did you make stripes and polka dots on your feathers too? Or did you do something different?
You're almost there. Now let's finish big. Finish big? That means no shortcuts. Let's get it right.
Could you think of a story about this turkey? He does look very different with these very colorful feathers. Would he like having different colored feathers? Maybe in the story he learns that being different can be a good thing. He does look very happy. And there it is, a big, colorful turkey. Look at those feathers. Let's practice the word one more time. Can you remember? What does turkey start with? Letter T. What's next? U. What's next? R. K. What's next? E. And what's the last letter? Y.
I'm so proud of you. Well done.
Happy Thanksgiving! Wasn't that fun?
Best day ever. Fun and productive. My favorite combo.
Every time you draw, you're getting better. So keep going.
Keep practicing. And keep smiling.
To get the Dreamkeepers book or schedule an author illustrator visit to your school, check out my website, ahcreations.com.